What is a rhetorical analysis? A rhetorical analysis makes an argument about someone else's argument. Instead of addressing the issue that the author addresses, it addresses the author's use of rhetorical appeals. For example, someone writing a rhetorical analysis of Martin Luther King's letter from Birmingham jail would not address their own beliefs on civil disobedience and nonviolent protest. Instead, they would talk about how King makes or does not make a persuasive case for those beliefs. The most common rhetorical appeals are ethos, pathos, and logos. Each of these appeals assesses how a writer appeals to the reader's ethics, emotion, or logic, respectively. Let's start with logos. Someone making an argument against smoking using logos would say, "You should not smoke because smoking is bad for your health." This appeals to the audience's reasoning. Someone making an argument against smoking using pathos would say, "You should not smoke because smoking is disgusting." This appeals to the audience's emotions. Someone making an argument against smoking using ethos would say, "You should not smoke because the U.S. Surgeon General says not to." When we say ethos is an appeal to ethics, what we really mean is that it asks us to accept a statement as true because of the expert authority or personal character of the person making that statement. A rhetorical analysis should also address other aspects of the text in question. These aspects include the author's tone, diction, purpose, audience, organization, as well as poetic elements such as imagery and metaphor.
You need to subscribe to the channel that I'd advise you. It's Coburn Classroom.